If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, 5x square plus 17x plus 6 is equal to 0. Find the value of 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square. Now, if we compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form, we get A is equal to 5, B is equal to 17, and C is equal to 6. So we have AC is equal to 5 6 are 30. Now we have to split 30 in such a way that the sum of factors becomes 17. And the only way of doing this is by splitting it up as 2 into 15. So therefore we split the middle term as 2 and 15. So we have 5x square plus 2x plus 15x plus 6 is equal to 0. So from the first two terms, we have x common. So 5x plus 2 in the bracket plus 3 common and again 5x plus 2 in the bracket is equal to 0. So therefore we have x plus 3 multiplied by 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to minus 2 by 5. So therefore we can say that alpha is equal to minus 3 and beta is equal to minus 2 by 5. So 1 upon alpha square will be 1 upon 9 and 1 upon beta square will be 25 upon 4. Now we want the addition. So 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square is equal to 1 by 9 plus 25 by 4. Now, if we cross multiply, we have here in the denominator 9 into 4, and if we cross multiply, we have 4 plus 25 nines are, that is 225. So therefore, final answer comes out as 229 upon 9 fours are 36.